So the latest addition to the Nova is a diesel-powered heater. It's the sort of thing that they use in camper vans and road haulage trucks. So this is the heater unit itself. This is the fuel tank. Originally I was going to install it in the front compartment, but there simply wasn't enough room because it's quite big, it's quite bulky, so I've installed it inside the cabin itself. There's a control panel on the dashboard, and I've also got a remote control which I can use to adjust the control panel, or I can reach across and adjust it myself manually. You can hear the noise. It's a bit like a turbine engine. You can also hear the clicking of the fuel pump. It's a tick, tick, tick. And that is either fast or slow depending on what level the heating is set at. So if you turn it right down, the pump slows right down. So really pleased with the result. Sitting inside the car with the canopy down, gets very warm very quickly. Makes a big difference. I've not had any heating in this car since I built it, so I'm quite pleased. This is going to improve the comfort of the car in the winter time or the cold weather, and should help to alleviate the tendency for the windscreen to mist up as well. Cheers guys.